Teacher Aya Online Tutor.
Hello children! Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start. The bag is red. Again. The bag is red. Your turn to read, children. The car is new. Again. The car is new. Your turn to read, children. My dad is mad. Again. My dad is mad. Your turn to read, children. His toy is new. Again. His toy is new. Your turn to read, children. Her hat is big. Again. Her hat is big. Your turn to read, children. The boy is sad. Again. The boy is sad. Your turn to read, children. The cat is fat. Again. The cat is fat. Your turn to read, children. The mat is wet. Again. The mat is wet. Your turn to read, children. Sam has a pet. Again. Sam has a pet. Your turn to read, children. Kim has a map. Again. Kim has a map. Your turn to read, children. The man can run. Again. The man can run. Your turn to read, children. The bus is big. Again. The bus is big. Your turn to read, children. The van is red. Again. The van is red. Your turn to read, children. Pam has a jam. Again. Pam has a jam. Your turn to read, children. Jim has a net. Again. Jim has a net. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read together. Are you ready? Let's start. The bag is red. The car is new. My dad is mad. His toy is new. Her hat is big. The boy is sad. The cat is fat. The mat is wet. Sam has a pet. Kim has a map. The man can run. The bus is big. The van is red. Pam has a jam. Jim has a net. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lesson. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lesson.